Welcome to Best Choice. The best GT86 accessories is probably one of the most exciting and rewarding ways to personalize your already fantastic sports car, transforming it from a great drive into an extension of your own style and performance desires. Whether you're looking to enhance its already sharp handling, boost its already impressive power, or simply add a touch of unique flair that makes your GT86 stand out from the crowd, the right accessories can make all the difference in creating a truly bespoke driving experience that perfectly suits your needs and preferences on every journey. Number 5. Toyota Camry RAV4 Key Fob Cover. Introducing a premium key fob cover designed for your Toyota. It offers stylish protection and a comfortable feel. This cover provides full 360-degree protection for your key fob. It safeguards against drops, damage, shocks, and scratches, keeping it looking new. Engineered for a perfect fit, this protector ensures your key fob remains safe. It also guarantees a full signal, so you won't experience any interference. Crafted from premium soft TPU, it's both durable and stylish. This case fits like a glove and offers an excellent touch feeling. Please double-check your original key's shape against the photo before ordering. This ensures compatibility with models like Camry, RAV4, Highlander, Avalon, and GT86. We offer unconditional refunds or replacements for any quality issues. Contact us with any problems for friendly, lifetime customer service. What we like. This key fob cover offers premium soft TPU material for a comfortable feel and 360-degree protection. It ensures your key fob stays safe from drops, damage, and scratches, keeping it looking new. If you prioritize comprehensive protection and a sleek, durable cover for your Toyota key fob, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The car's handling is incredibly sharp and responsive, making it a joy to drive on winding roads. The lightweight design contributes to its agile performance and excellent fuel efficiency. The interior is driver-focused with supportive seats and a clear, functional dashboard layout. Number 4. Toyota 86 GT86 Subaru BRZ Armrest, Red Stitches. Upgrade your driving experience with our custom-fit armrest. Crafted from high-quality PU leather with durable red stitching, it offers both comfort and a touch of sporty style. Built with environmentally friendly, tough, and waterproof PU leather, this armrest is designed to last. The high-strength plastic base ensures it remains sturdy for years to come. Stay powered up on the go. It features 2 built-in USB charging ports, making it incredibly convenient to charge your devices while you drive. Enjoy ample storage with its double-layer design. The upper layer is perfect for your phone, while the larger lower compartment can hold more essentials, keeping your car tidy. Installation is a breeze. The integrated armrest box and base simply slot into the original mounting holes, requiring no complex tools or modifications. Designed to perfectly fit your Toyota 86 GT86 or Subaru BRZ, it seamlessly integrates with your car's interior, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. What we like. This armrest features a durable PU leather finish and convenient dual USB charging ports. Its larger, double-layer design offers ample storage for your essentials, keeping your car tidy. If you're looking to upgrade your driving comfort and add practical storage and charging solutions to your GT86 or BRZ, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The product is a perfect fit for the Toyota GT86, enhancing its sporty aesthetic. Installation was straightforward, and the accessory feels durable and well-made. It significantly improves the car's handling and provides better grip during spirited driving. Number 3. Scion FRS Subaru BRZ Toyota 86 Smoke Lens LED Side Markers. Give your Scion FRS, Subaru BRZ, or Toyota 86 a sleek, modern look with these smoke lens LED side marker lights. They're designed to enhance your car's appearance and add a touch of custom style. Beyond just looks, these lights improve your vehicle's visibility on the road. The bright white and amber LEDs ensure you're seen by others, adding an extra layer of safety, especially during turns. Engineered for a perfect fit, these side marker lamps are compatible with 2013 to 2016 Scion FRS, 2013 to 2020 Subaru BRZ, and 2017 to 2020 Toyota 86 models. Installation is straightforward, directly replacing your existing lights. Featuring advanced switchback LED technology, these lights offer brilliant white for running parking and switch to a vibrant amber for turn signals. This dual functionality provides both style and clear signaling. You can trust in the quality and compliance of these lights. They are DOT and SAE approved, ensuring they meet safety standards for road use. This package includes a pair for both the driver and passenger sides. Connecting these lights is simple. The white wire is for the turn signal's first stage, the yellow wire for the second stage, and the black wire serves as the negative. Enjoy an upgraded look with minimal effort. What we like. These smoked lens LED side marker lights offer a stylish upgrade with switchback functionality, providing both white parking lights and amber turn signals. They enhance your car's aesthetic and improve visibility for added safety. If you want to give your GT86 or BRZ a more aggressive look and ensure you're seen on the road, these are a great option. What people say. The product is a perfect fit for the Toyota GT86, enhancing its sporty look. Installation was straightforward and the materials used are of high quality, ensuring durability. The design complements the car's interior, adding a touch of premium feel. Number 2. YUANZHENG LED Headlight Assembly for Toyota 86 Scion FRS Subaru BRZ. Upgrade your ride with these direct-fit headlight assemblies. They are designed as a perfect replacement for your original lights, installing just like factory units for a seamless fit. Featuring a stylish LED parking light bar and fiber optic DRLs, these headlights offer a custom look. The projector dual beam lens provides a stronger, more concentrated light output than ordinary headlamps. Equipped with a bright superior lighting system, these assemblies make your vehicle more visible on the road. This significantly improves your driving safety, especially in low-light conditions. Rest assured with these DOT and SAE approved headlights. They have been rigorously tested to meet strict quality and safety standards, ensuring reliable performance. These assemblies are hermetically sealed to prevent moisture from entering. This thorough testing ensures smooth operation and long-lasting durability for your peace of mind. Installation is a breeze with the plug-and-play design. Simply replace your old headlights with these new ones for an instant upgrade to your vehicle's appearance and lighting performance. What we like. These headlight assemblies feature projector LED bars with DRL sequential turn signals for a modern, aggressive look. They provide superior, concentrated light output for improved visibility and driving safety, and are DOT SAE approved. If you desire a significant lighting upgrade with custom styling and enhanced road illumination for your GT86, FRS, or BRZ, these are the headlights for you. What people say. The product is a perfect fit for the Toyota GT86, enhancing its sporty look. Installation was straightforward and the materials used are of high quality, ensuring durability. The design seamlessly integrates with the car's interior, adding a touch of premium feel. Number 1. Carbon fiber spoiler for Subaru BRZ, Toyota 86, Scion FRS. Introducing a premium carbon fiber spoiler designed to enhance the look of your Subaru BRZ, Scion FRS, or Toyota 86. It offers a sleek, sporty upgrade for your vehicle's exterior. Engineered for a custom fit, this spoiler is compatible with models from 2012 to 2020. It seamlessly integrates with your car's existing design for a factory-like appearance. Crafted from high-quality, lightweight carbon fiber, this spoiler not only looks great but also contributes to improved performance. Experience a noticeable difference in handling and durability. Featuring a stunning glossy finish and a stylish high-kick design, it adds a touch of aggressive sportiness. This upgrade is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Installation is a breeze thanks to the included self-adhesive tape. You can achieve a professional look without the need for complex tools or modifications. We are committed to providing superior service. If you have any questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. What we like. Crafted from real carbon fiber, this high-kick spoiler adds a distinctly sporty and aggressive look to the rear of your vehicle. It's designed to enhance the car's aesthetic appeal and improve handling. If you're aiming to give your GT86, FRS, or BRZ a race-inspired makeover and a more dynamic profile, this spoiler is an ideal choice. What people say. The steering wheel cover is a perfect fit and feels great in the hand, enhancing grip during spirited driving. The custom floor mats are durable and have the Toyota GT86 logo precisely embroidered, adding a touch of sportiness to the interior. The rear spoiler provides a noticeable increase in downforce, improving stability at higher speeds and giving the car a more aggressive stance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.